I have one last thing that I'm going to share with you guys within my Chat GPT, and we'll call it a day. And that is, you know, Carol alluded to this in the beginning. For those of you that aren't aware, you can have different projects now. So I can look at my like if I tell I'm gonna use writing assistant as an example, right? So I can go into writing assistant and I can just like my overall chat GPT, which I have told it to be brief. Don't remind me you're not a doctor. Don't tell me to consult with an attorney. Don't I can do all those things in my overview, but in each individual project, I can add instructions. And I just did some basic instructions on this. I didn't go too in depth, but I will add to it as I go. You are a creative writer, coach, and genius. And every time I use this help from you, I want you to provide me the best, most attractive writing suggestions and example that there ever was, right? So there you have it. And if I wanted to add files to this as a basis, now every time a friend of mine asked me to do a book endorsement for him, I went in and spent quite some time in ChatGPT, adding what my relationship was with my it took. I didn't just go with them. I just told them what I wanted, and then I continued to add and add and add about a relationship and what I know about the guy, and it gave me a few choices to choose from, and I made a combination of the three on my own. But the nice thing about projects is each one of it's a folder to store similar things in, as well as you can give instructions for each individual project. So we love that. And then the other one that I will tell you, if you don't have a personal assistant set up in there yet, I would encourage you to do that. And you basically just want to go into, like, this is the personal assistant specifically for the numerous personal things that I would want it to do for me, such as booking a spot on my calendar, checking my calendar, sending out Zoom links from that. That's all done from the schema that's behind the scenes in this personal assistant. So you just want to get creative, and like Carol had alluded to earlier, you want to begin with the end in mind, and just know that the possibilities are endless with this. You may not be the one that knows how to set it up, but I will tell you, you will be able to get someone to set it up, or you'll learn how to set it up. There's plenty of resources available of people that will be able to help you put whatever you can dream up into an automation, guys.